Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to look at formatting a chart with dynamic conditional formatting in a chart. Okay, to do that, we have data here. Our target is 50. Now, this line here represents the target, as you can see there, 50. Now, we have months and amount. So we are running from January to December, and these are the amounts. We are saying the target is 50. So anything that is above 50 is in this color, meets target, is in orange, as you can see. And anything that does not meet the target of 50 is in blue. And this here is very dynamic because, for example, you can see past January, if I change this one to meet the target, its color is going to change to ones that meet the target. For example, if I say 51, there you go. The color changes and it moves up to that point there. So if I say 30, the color changes. Now also, if I change this target, maybe I put 40, very dynamic, you can see all that meet the target on this line change, and those that do not meet do not change. So I can play around and move it to 20. When you see 20, all of them meet the target. When I say 70, you can see the ones that meet the target, which are in this orange color, are orange, and then the others that do not meet are in blue. That's what we're going to do. Very good example, and I'm going to take you from scratch. Now to do that, I have data here, the same data set. My target is 50. I have the month and amount here. I need to first analyze this data into what meets the target and what does not meet the target. So I'm going to say below target, okay? And then I'm also gonna say meets target, meets target. Then here lastly, I'm going to put my target like so. So my target like so is very easy. Just pick this, I lock it, then I copy down with Control D. That's my target. Then below the target, I'm going to use the if function, and I'm gonna say if this value is less than my target, lock that because I'm gonna copy it down. If it is less than my target, then return that value, or else return NA, like so. Then in this one here, meets the target means that if function is gonna be if this value is greater or equal to the target, I lock that target because I'm gonna copy it down. If it is greater, return the target, return the value, and if it is not, return NA and close my brackets. So this is what happens. 36 is below the target of 50. That's why we have a value here, and here we have NA. And I'll just copy this down with Control D, and that's what I get. So what I did, select the data, go under Insert, look for stacked column chart, and get it like so. Then my horizontal axis, or the x-axis, has numbers 1 to 12. I need these to be months. I right-click, select data on the horizontal axis, amend, and select your months there, and say, okay, okay. Now when you look at my previous graph, which I drew, my target is a line. So I need to change this target here into a line. So to do that, I right-click, type chart, type, go to combo, and my target here by default has changed into a line. So you need to ensure this is the line, then say, okay. So when you do that, you can see this is your target right here. Okay. Now let me zoom in a bit because I'm running out of space. Okay. So you can see this is our data right here. Now, and it's very dynamic. If I change this to 60, there you go. You can see these ones which have been meeting the target now have changed color. If you change it to 80, the ones that meet the target reduce. The orange is the one that meets the target. Of course, you can change the colors. The ones meeting the target, you can maybe make them green and all that. But this is how you can achieve this. And in addition to this, you may want to hide your data here. So if I do hide my data, there you go. You can see my chart is not showing. So what to make that one show, you have to right click and go and select data. Then right down here you have hidden and empty. Click there. And down here we have show data in hidden rows and columns. What we want, click there, close that. Okay, let's go back. Select data, hidden rows, show that data. Say OK. Say OK. And there you go. So you can hide your data and you can still show your chart. So everything here is dynamic. When I change these figures, like January, if I make it hit the target, you can see that it is going to turn into color orange. So if I say 82, there you go. If I say 30, it changes. So everything is dynamic, and I think it's a very good chart to use in your presentation. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to respond. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.